Right, so I'm under the truck, under the clutch. Here's what the clutch looks like. So, got a part number here, C1970369. Another hard to read number here. It says Eaton Fuller Easy Pedal. Looks like 108391-74. And then at the bottom, AU 100-524-0196. Looking inside there, it looks like it's got like two parts to that clutch. I don't know if it's actually got a clutch brake, which is basically two clutches. See, there's two separate parts there. Oh yeah, it's definitely got two clutches. So here's one, and then there's the other one in the back there. Can't really see it there. So, probably get this off, and because I noticed there was a bit of rattling. This is really impressive. It's in an oil impregnated. It's called an oil impregnated bushing. The oil is actually infused into the brass or the bronze, but you put gear through it and it goes into there. That's pretty cool. Okay, fix that.